Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this today tutorial, we will learn about some workday, networkday types functions of Excel. So, like I have a date and I want a date which is 5 days ahead of this day. These are not the simple 5 days, these are the work day. Like here we will exclude this Saturday, Sunday, and along with the gadgeted holiday. Like I was choosing these two holidays, these are the random numbers, but there may be different. So, like I have a date and I want a date 5 day ahead, 5 working day ahead of this date. So, for that, we have a function called workday. Okay, for workday we have a start date, how many number of days ahead I want or we want is 5. Then Saturday Sunday will be counted as a holiday, and apart from that we have these holidays also which are falls in the calendar. So I will select these and I will freeze these cells by pressing the window plus F4 and hit enter. So means Friday, September 15, 23. September 15, 23 will be the next fifth working day after the 9th of September. I can drag it down and same will apply with for all. So I just want to change the date format. For that, just go to home, number format, and select this one, number format, date. I want this date, and okay. Likewise, if I want to calculate it on the international level, I just have a another functions like workday intl means international. Select this one, select the start date, select the number of days. Here one more thing is added here, like what is the, you can say that pre-planned weekend. Is it Saturday Sunday? In some country it is a Monday Tuesday Wednesday. What is in your country, you can select according to that, and in our country it is a Saturday Sunday, so I will select Saturday Sunday. For that I will write have one, and same the gadgeted holidays, select this one and freeze it because I don't want to drag these cells. These are fixed, and hit enter. So it will be the same as, because these dates are not full inside it, drag it down. So this is for working day on international level and this is on the national level. And apart from that, sometimes we have to calculate the number of working days between two dates, and same we will do with the international networking days between two dates. For that we have a function net working days, net working days. Okay, select the start date, then select the end date. Here also it will if I will select it on the net working days according to the country I selected in the Excel, according to that country it will automatically count it that what type of working days are there, means holidays like is Saturday Sunday, Sunday Monday, and like that. So in my country it is Saturday Sunday, so it automatically detected for the networking days, but for international it will ask you. And same here for holidays, I will select this one and freeze them, window plus F4 and just drag it down. These are the networking days between these two dates, excluding the Saturday, Sunday, and these gadgeted holidays. Apart from that, if you just don't want these holidays to include, then also you can proceed without them also. Then there will be only Saturday, Sunday in the whole year, and these gadgeted holidays will not count it. Click enter and drag it down. So for but I will not do that. And for international, For network day is equal to networking days intl. Select the start date, select the this date, and what is the weekend? It is Saturday Sunday. Select one and select this holiday, freeze them, hit enter. Just drag it down. This will come for the international holidays, and I can change it to like 3 also. 3 is for Monday, Tuesday. Hit enter and drag it down. Okay, the things changed here like 5093, 5092, 433, 431. It's depend upon country to country, and like sometimes we got some date and we want to find out the what is the number of weekdays, like it is a second, third or fourth. First of all, I will change the date format so that we do not have any clue for that. Okay, so weekday, I want what is the 5th January weekday. So for that, just write weekday function and serial number, and on what day your week will start. Like in my country it is a Monday is counted at first day, so I will write it 2 and hit enter. So it is a 6th day of the week. Drag it down. Means what is 6th day? It is 7th. 7th means it is a Sunday, it is a Monday, it is a Saturday. So for likewise we can do for a week number, select the date, and on what day your week will start. In my country it is a second. I'll start second, it means on Monday. Hit enter. It is the first week of that year, and likewise drag it down. Here you can see the magic will happen. And for clarity, just change the date format and include the days also. And you can see that it is a Monday, it's a first day. It is a Wednesday, it is a third day. It is Sunday, it's 7th, and Saturday 6th. So this is all about the workday and network day type functions. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching this. Bye bye.